WordPress 6.9 is scheduled for release on December the 22nd, 2025, and in this video I'll share some of my personal favorite features that are currently being worked on. Now there's no guarantee they'll be part of the final release, but they are on the roadmap. Let's dive in. WordPress 6.9 is laying the foundation for real collaboration. The release will introduce block-level commenting, so writers and editors can leave, view and resolve comments directly inside the editor. It's the first step toward a fully collaborative WordPress experience. One of my favorite features on the roadmap for WordPress 6.9 is improved template management. Here I've created a new front page template, and when I switch themes, that custom template comes with me. The plan also includes easier switching between theme and custom templates, drafting before publishing, and simplified management through the REST API. On the roadmap for WordPress 6.9 is block hiding, the ability to keep blocks editable in the back end, but hidden on the front end. Great for staging content, testing designs, and laying the groundwork for future features like screen size visibility. Several new blocks are planned to expand customization and modern design options, including accordion, terms query, stretchy type, and icon. On the screen, you can see how the accordion block is shaping up. It's accessibility friendly, and one of the great things is you can add any blocks inside your accordions, giving you almost endless design options. The stretchy block might sound unusual, but it's quickly becoming one of my favorites. The idea is simple. The text you enter automatically fills its container, making it perfect for hero sections. In my demo on the screen, I've placed it inside a cover block, and you can see how it always expands to fill the space. Next up is the command palette. Everywhere you can open it with Command K on a Mac or Control K on Windows, and it's a quick way to take actions on your site. Previously, it was limited to the site editor, but in 6.9, the plan is that it will be available across your entire dashboard. It's going to be a real time saver. There are also a host of improvements coming for developers. The standout one to demo is the new Abilities API. This will let plugin authors expose parts of their plugins so AI can interact with them directly. On the screen, you can see an early WooCommerce demo put together by James Kemp, core product manager at WooCommerce, showing how AI could generate a stock report using this new approach. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found that interesting. If you want to keep track of WordPress 6.9, hit that subscribe button and you'll be notified when it's released. Thank you again, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.